Today we're going to look at simplifying rational expressions. So when we simplify rational expressions, we look for places that we are multiplying by 1. Since we want to see places where we're multiplying, not adding or subtracting, we need to change our standard form, which is a sum, things being added and subtracted, to factored form, so we have a product, things that are being multiplied. So the first step is always to take anything that is in standard form and change it to factored form. In this case, the numerator will be x plus 3 times x plus 5, and the denominator will be x plus 3 times x minus 1. Now that we have our factors, we look for anywhere that we are multiplying by 1, where we have the same factor in the numerator and in the denominator. As you can see here, x plus 3 over x plus 3. I'm going to break it up so we can see what's going on. So what's happening is we have x plus 3 over x plus 3 being multiplied by x plus 5 over x minus 1. Hopefully you recall from your days of multiplying fractions that when you multiply a fraction, you just multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. All I did was go backwards. So now, I know that this is equivalent to this. And now I can see that I have x plus 3 over x plus 3. I know when I have the same thing in the numerator and the denominator, that's really just equal to 1. Make a giant 1 right here. So what I really have is 1 times x plus 5 over x minus 1. And 1 times anything is just that thing. So this is equal to x plus 5 over x minus 1. Since multiplying by 1 doesn't need to be written. Finally, I need to state the restricted values of x. X cannot equal 1 because 1 minus 1 would give us 0. It also will not work if x were negative 3, since then this would be 0 divided by 0, which is not equal to 1. So both of these values need to be restricted. And this is my final answer.